We have to admit, you watch YouTube videos every single day. I do it as well, but recently I've found a way to get paid while watching those free YouTube videos, and you can take a look at some of the payment proof right here, directly to PayPal, all in one single day while watching YouTube videos. This works in all countries around the world, and they accept different payment options including PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Pioneer, Payeer, and Skrill. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, and I'll notify you whenever we have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. Okay, so let's start with a step-by-step tutorial because as always, I'll explain everything step by step. By the end of this video, you'll see a massive progress and you'll be ready to start making money, so definitely the best option for you is to follow along with me. Follow all the steps and stay tuned until the end of the video to maximize your results. We'll start with step number 1, and that's to come over to YouTube. Now, right before I show you how you can get paid like this for those YouTube videos, there's something that we need to set up, and that is to come over to YouTube and you want to search for different keywords. For example, a keyword that's popular in gaming, maybe Dota 2, Minecraft, GTA 5, whatever you can think of that is just for one particular need, what you usually watch on YouTube, but make sure it's a popular keyword. Let's say you may be watching gaming videos. What you can do is you can search for Minecraft and just search for that and leave it open like that. We'll get back to this page in a minute. Now the next thing you gotta do is you want to sign on to a website called shrinkme.io. This is the website that we'll be using to get paid for just watching YouTube, and you'll see exactly how this works. Now you want to come over to shrinkme.io and you want to create a free account by clicking on the register button right here. Now, if you're wondering what this actually is, this is a link shortening service, which means that you can grab any URL, any link for anything, and you can paste it right here. They'll shorten it for you, and whenever someone clicks on your shortened link, you'll get paid. As you can see, in this case, you'll get paid $220 per 10,000 views, or $22 per 1,000 clicks, or $2.20 per 100 clicks, but you'll see exactly how this works and exactly how you're making money from watching YouTube videos. Now the reason we're using shrinkme.io and not any other link shortening service is because they have a low minimum payout, which is only $5. So you can reach $5 in like a couple of minutes, and then you'll be able to cash out directly to PayPal or any other payment option you prefer. So you don't have to wait around for months to get paid. You can get paid today either through PayPal, Pioneer, Bitcoin, Paytm, Skrill, Payeer, or bank transfers. So whatever you prefer, you can select any of those payment options. Now the first thing you're going to do is, as I said, click on the register button right here to create your free account. You'll create your account by creating a unique username that can be anything you prefer. I will, for the sake of this tutorial, go with Digital Cashflow username. Then you'll enter your email address right here, then create a password for your account. Retype the same password and click on I'm not a robot. And you can agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, which you can read by clicking on some of these two links, and then you can go back and agree if you agree, of course. After that, just click register, and then this is how it's gonna look. Now, this is the dashboard where you can track your earnings. So here you can see the total views you've got, the total earnings, so how much money you actually made from those YouTube videos, and then here in the left hand side, you'll be able to withdraw your money. Now, the reason of search for Minecraft keyword is because Minecraft is really popular. It's trending. Like, take a look at this. It was posted just 14 hours ago and it already has 79,000 views. This one 2 hours ago and it already has 87,000 views. So a lot of people are interested in Minecraft, and I mean those videos are just fun to watch. So it's not going to be really hard to make money with this. All you need to do is search for a popular keyword like Minecraft or anything you can think of that you usually watch that's really popular. In my case, that's once again going to be Minecraft. So I'll open up one of these videos, for example this one, and what I need to do is I'll just need to watch it all the way till the end and just pay attention. It's a good video, so just sit, relax, have fun, watch the video, enjoy those videos, and then I'll show you how ShrinkMe will pay you just for doing that. So for now, your job is to just watch those fun and trendy videos, or watch them until the end and make sure they're good. Once you're done watching and you confirm that it's a good video, you like the video, you want to copy the URL of that YouTube video so you will watch it until the end. Just copy the URL that takes people to the video and then go back to shrinkme.io and click here, it says in new shorten link. Now you just want to paste a URL for that video right here and just click shorten, and that's going to give you a shortened link. This link takes people to the YouTube video, and then when someone clicks on that link, you will get paid again and again. So you'll see exactly how that will make you money. So now just copy that shortened YouTube link, and then you will come over to a website called forums.pcgamer.com. This is the website that will set everything on autopilot for us, so we can watch those YouTube videos in peace, and by using this website you can get payments every single day just like this. You can see this is a real payment proof on the website. People are being paid every single day. Now, forums.pcgamer.com is a forum where people come to discuss about gaming, about all those different games and stuff. And the reason we're using this forum in particular is because this website is getting over 100,000 monthly visits. So every single month, over 170,000 people are using this website, as you can see here at similarweb.com, and it's been raising. As you can see, it was 19% higher than last month. So it has great potential, and if you do the math, that can end up being a lot of clicks, and we can get paid a lot of money from those clicks. And the reason you're only watching popular topics in popular keywords on YouTube is because that way you can attract more clicks, and that way you can earn more money. So the more popular videos you watch, the more money you can make. Now I want to come over to forums.pcgamer.com, where, as I said, people discuss all of the different games that are available online, and they want to search for your keyword. In this case, it's going to be Minecraft. So I'll search for Minecraft, and you'll be able to see their new posts about Minecraft every single day, every single hour. People discuss it right here in this forum. So a lot of people are interested in this game. Now, how can we actually attract them to click on our link so we can make money from this? How can we attract them to click on our shortened links that takes people to this YouTube video? Well, you just want to post something trending and some news, an update about the Minecraft game, and then leave the link to the video below your post. So you can do something like this. You can come over to Google, you can search for Minecraft news, you'll find some article that has an update or did have something breaking news about Minecraft. For example, I'll open up this one and I will copy this article and I will paste it in Google Docs, and below this, below the news, below the article, I'll just copy my video title. For example, Minecraft's light update changes everything. I will paste it right here, and I'll just copy my shortened link from shrinkme.io. I'll copy that once again, go back here, paste it right here, and I will copy this entire article and I will just use it on the forums.pcgamer.com. And I will post it around here so people can see it. They will be interested in news and updates, and once they read it, they will see, for example, best Minecraft update and then this link right here. Once they click on the link, I'll get paid again and again, because as you saw, thousands and thousands of people are using this website. So I can reach out to hundreds or thousands of people and get thousands and thousands of clicks on one of my posts, and you can just imagine how much money you can make by watching more and more videos and shortening more and more links, and by posting more and more posts on forum.pcgamer.com. So go ahead there, search for the Minecraft keyword, watch as many videos as you can, and make as much money as you possibly can. And that is it for this video. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.